So you've accessed your personal learning dashboard once. How do you get back to that dashboard, especially if you don't remember your password? That's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So first of all, you have to find the Geneva Learning Foundation's website. You should bookmark it, but if you don't know what a bookmark is, you can just type into Google Geneva Learning Foundation and you should get to this screen. You can see here there's a Join the Movement button, so click on that. And then you see there is an IA 2030 members login. So click on that. Now here you are, you need your email and your password. So what if you don't remember your email and password? Well, at the bottom of this screen, you see there's a little red link that says forgot password. That is where you click. That's what you do. And so I'm going to recover my password. Now, to recover your password, you need to remember the email that you used to apply, and you need to remember it exactly. Even if one letter or one punctuation or number is off, it is not going to work. It needs to be exactly. So the most common problem is, I think I used this email, but that's not actually the one I used. In this case, I'm pretty sure, so I'm going to click on the red button. If your email address exists in our database, you will receive a password recovery link at your email address in a few minutes. So let's go. I'm going to now look at my email. Let me just get back here. And here you see instructions to reset your Kajabi password. That's it. That's the email you're looking for. All right. And here you see, hello, Reda, someone has requested a link to change your password. Now, you can see the strange thing is, at least this is Outlook, this link is not clickable. So that means I need to copy and paste the link into this top window of my browser. You don't usually have to do this, but that just means you select it, then do Control V to copy it, open a new browser window. So I'm going to open a new browser window here, and then you paste in the link. And then hit return on your keyboard or on your device. Now, here it says create new password. So that is what I'm going to do. But I need to make sure of two things. One is, as I type, you can see you're typing blind. So very often people will make a mistake, a typing mistake, and then they won't be able to confirm the password because you have to type exactly the same thing twice. So I'm going to type my password here, and I'm going to type it again here. Now, one option you have is you can, for example, open up a Word document, type in a password, say this, I want this to be my password, and then I'll go back here and I'll paste what I have in my Word document. I can even save the Word document or print it so that I have the password for reference somewhere, because you don't want to be creating a new password every time you access. But once you've done that, you've typed the same password twice or pasted it, and then you click on Submit. Now I use a password manager, so you see that here and here. All right, so my password is too short. It's a minimum of 8 characters. So let me go and grab actually this longer password, and this time I'm going to paste that in. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and submit this time. Again, you may get some screens asking you to save your password. If you understand how to use a password manager, I do recommend that. And now you get a confirmation your password has been changed successfully. You're now signed in. And here you see the movements for IA 2030 full learning cycle. You open that and you're back in your learning dashboard. That's it. It should be that simple, as long as you remember what email you used and you're able to access the email and you understand how to take this link and paste it into your browser, because it is not clickable by default.